Ducati has unveiled a refreshed version of their most aggressive adventure sport bike yet, the Multistrada V4 RS. At its heart is the same 1103cc V4 engine found in the Panigale Superbike range. This high-revving power plant delivers a claimed 180 horsepower at 12,250 RPM and 118 Nm of torque at 9,500 RPM, now paired with shorter final drive ratios for sharper acceleration, outpacing even the performance-focused Pikes Peak Edition. An STM Evo dry clutch and Akrapovic exhaust complete the high-performance package. Despite recent changes in the Panigale's chassis design, the Multistrada V4 RS sticks with a single-sided aluminium swing arm, matched to a monocoque frame and Marcassini-forged aluminium 17-inch wheels. These are shod in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 Corsa tires and benefit from Öhlins Smart EC2 semi-active suspension, adapted from Ducati's Superbike line. Braking hardware also mirrors that of the Panigale, with 330mm front discs, Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers, and Bosch Brembo cornering ABS. The Multistrada V4 RS has undergone strategic weight reduction, tipping the scales at 225 kilograms. Contributing to this are a titanium subframe, 2.5 kilograms lighter than the steel version, and a lithium-ion battery. Though lighter, the subframe has been reinforced to support a full 3-piece luggage system, including a top box, making it ideal for both sporty blasts and grand touring. The bike retains its sportier riding position, featuring rear-set foot pegs for better cornering clearance and a lower, narrower handlebar that is rigid-mounted for a more direct feel. Tech-wise, Ducati has packed the RS with its latest electronic rider aids, headlined by the introduction of Ducati's Vehicle Observer system. This advanced algorithm uses predictive logic to calculate the ideal level of electronic intervention based on rider inputs and real-time road conditions. Riders can toggle between 5 riding modes: race, sport, touring, urban, and wet, and 4 suspension settings: track, dynamic, touring, and low grip. Power delivery is also customizable with 4 selectable power modes, and uniquely, the RS is the only Multistrada to offer a full power mode, releasing all 180 horsepower in every gear with a sharper throttle response. The electronic suite continues with radar-assisted adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and forward collision warning. All systems are managed via a 6.5-inch TFT dash, which features RS-specific graphics for a more race-focused display experience. Visually, the Multistrada V4 RS stands out thanks to extensive carbon fiber detailing, including the beak, mudguard, handguards, and heat shields. Subtle RS logos and branding are placed throughout the bike to highlight its special status. Each unit will also be individually numbered, with a black anodized aluminium plaque mounted on the top yoke displaying the production number. With the new V4 RS, Ducati has taken the Multistrada's adventure DNA and infused it with Panigale-level performance, creating a machine that can carve corners like a superbike while still touring the continent with ease.